Now, when it comes to purely UI design, there is no tool greater than Wizard. Uizard is how you spell it, uizard.io. This was one of the first AI design tools in the market to bring AI to UI designs and visual designs in the world. One of its first claims to fame was this tool, where you could take a picture of a wireframe that you have drawn on paper and it converts it into a digital design like so. However, it is expanded to provide various solutions, solving various issues using UI and visual AI tools. Now, when you enter this website after logging in or signing up, it is absolutely free with certain paid features which you can get later on. Now, in this case, there are various AI features that we have seeing upfront. One is start from screenshot. So in this case, if you have a website in mind, or if you have a wireframe that you have drawn out, you can use this feature to take that website reference and then edit that design using this tool. Or you can use generate with auto designer, which is really cool. Let's look at this. Now, ours is a finance app which we can use for our mobile designs. In this case, our app should be a finance app that does trading online, correct? So I've described our app here, a finance app that allows you to buy and sell stocks. Describe a design, pick keywords or both. So in this case, you can actually describe the type of design you're looking for. I want a light theme. I want it to be elegant and formal so that, people who are looking at finance apps, they want a more elegant, clean design. And I can also add my own keywords, clean and clear. So this will also allow you to define the kind of style you are looking for from a UI design. And then I can go ahead and say, generate my project. Now it starts doing its work. It has a little loading bar on top here. Awesome. Our design is finally here. As you can see, this has quickly designed a complete application for us from start to finish. Look at this. If I zoom in, it's created an app for us called Stock Master Buy Sell Track Stocks. Really cool text as well. It's written for us. It also has created a AI generated image which fits the design perfectly well. It's created everything from welcome screen to a sign up screen. So with the sign up screen, of course, you have all your sign in with Google, Facebook buttons. You have placeholders and forms. You also now have a basic layout where you have everything from information on stocks. You also have portfolio value, card design. You have market stats. You also have a search page that leads to different content that can be displayed through our app, which gives us new ideas from the design. Specific restaurants. Okay, so now it has started to break down a little bit. So as you can see, with specific restaurants, it's given us stock details. So there are some mistakes and faults here and there, but overall, I think it's done a very good job with what we wanted to display. And it's done 4 to 5 pages, which should help us get started. You can even design more, generating screens, generating images, and generating a theme using prompt at any point of time. It's also a drag and drop editor, so you can quickly drag and drop icons, text, shapes, buttons, forms, etc. Or use all these amazing AI generated tools that are created on the left here called Magic. I think this is a wonderful tool and I'll give it a clap to it for sure. You can always export this and you can always share this with other people so other designers can check it out. Or you can export this as PNG, JPEG, SVG and PDF to edit or check out later. Unfortunately, it is not friendly with other tools like Figma. So you can only use this tool for inspiration and quick designs. You can then further choose to design in the tool itself, but Again, it doesn't have as many features and cool stuff as Figma does. So we're gonna stick to whatever we have right here and use it for our build. It can also instantly switch between mockup as well as wireframe. So a basic wireframe can also be generated using this too.